Most of my life I had a fuck you attitude. Not disrespectful, just independent. So hear me out. I would rather try something myself than listen to 10 people explain why it's difficult. I wanted to know how hard it really is and why people complain about it and what it actually is worth. And that's when I realized something, that knowledge is overpriced. People will sell you fear dressed up as expertise. But there is one thing that are always underpriced, and that's time. If you can buy time, do it. If you can save time, guard it. If you can build something that frees your time, that's real wealth. Money and opportunities will come again. Time doesn't. That's why independent thinking is dangerous. Because once you understand the value of time, you stop living like everyone else.